Welcome to Montfort School, Dhenkanal, as we joyfully observe Children's Day and celebrate the essence of Montfort's children. The day unfolds with a vibrant lineup of events, from fancy dress to singing and dancing, showcasing creativity and spirit. The atmosphere is alive with laughter, curiosity, and bright ideas from our young talents.
A short, uplifting message from our chief guest inspires kindness, perseverance, and dreaming big.
The day honors the vital roles of our principal, teachers, and parents whose guidance nurtures growth at Montfort. Parent presence and encouragement foster confidence and belonging within the school community. As the events close, we carry memories of a memorable Children's Day celebrating childhood, learning, and togetherness.